Alright, we got our Cobb front mount intercooler for the VBWRX. We gotta do a quick unboxing real quick just to look and see what's in here. I'm not gonna be installing it till the weekend after this weekend, so about a couple more weeks till I'm gonna be able to have enough days off to work on this project and get it done. I just don't like to do things little by little, because that's when you start making mistakes, you lose pieces, and all kinds of silly stuff could happen. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Alright, got the box open, and as you can see, packaging is on point as usual. Got everything well protected here. Got one piece of pipe here. Another piece. That's the part that connects to the turbo. And I believe this is going to be all the hardware. Let's take a look. Alright, this is all our hardware, couplings. Throttle body adapter. Lots of little pieces. This is going to be a mission, but it's also going to be fun. Alright, now let's open up the bigger box and check out the actual core itself. Alright, now here's the bigger box. This is going to have the core and the crash bar, I believe. Ooh, there it is. Damn, what a beautiful piece. Alright, let me carefully move this aside, because I don't want to start bending the fins and messing it up. Just a second. Alright, got the core safely out of the way. And here we got the replacement crash bar. And that's it. I guess the hardware is going to be in the other box for the crash bar. And a little surprise on the bottom here. Yeah, so that's the unboxing of the Cobb front mount intercooler for the VBWRX. We'll check back with you in a week and we'll get this thing installed and show you guys what it looks like. And also I got a aftermarket intake. I got the Burger Motorsports intake, so I'm hoping it's gonna fit. On the website, Cobb says they can't ensure fitment with anything other than their own intake, so hopefully I can figure that out. I've only seen one person on Facebook that got it to work with the ETS intake. I think the tube on the Burger Motorsports intake is going to be a little thicker, so we'll see what happens there. I might have to maybe order some different couplers, and I might have to make a little bit of modification to get it to fit right, but we won't know until we get in there and start putting it in. So make sure you check back next week when we start putting everything together. We got the Perrin turbo inlet, and we also got the Cobb flex fuel kit that we're going to be installing. And while I have the radio and everything out, I also got a little plug and play amplifier to hopefully get some better sound out of my stereo on the car. I have the premium 2022 WRX without the Harman Kardon, so I'm hoping it's gonna make a good enough difference and make the stereo actually listenable, because right now it's a piece of crap. I'm not gonna upgrade the speakers right away. That'll be in a few more weeks, but yeah, that's about it for this video, and we'll see you guys again in a couple weeks.